Now let's proceed and let's create a kangaroo carrying a baby. Of course, we created on our previous course a kangaroo. This time, let's create a kangaroo carrying a baby. Okay, now create 1 or 2 inch for the mouth and create 2 1-inch bubbles here for the head, just like that. Put it together to create a loop, just like that. Now create a neck here, and for the arm, just create 2 bubbles here. Each bubble has a measure of 2 inch, just like that. Or let's just say 3 inch. Let's make it more longer. So we have 2 arms here for the kangaroo. Now, how to create a baby? Okay, so this is it. Now, to create a baby, create 4 1-inch bubble here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and put it together to create a loop. Now twist this part. Teddy bear twist, just like that. Another teddy bear twist. Careful with your balloon, of course. And we have an instant baby. Okay, now put the baby of the kangaroo around her arm, just like that. See, we have a kangaroo here with a baby. Now don't forget to arrange the neck of our kangaroo, just like that. Now for the last part, create the legs, just like this. Okay, so we created approximate 6 inches and 4 inches. Now create a small bubble portion here, and leave a 1-inch bubble here at the end for the tail, just like that. Now we finally created the whole portion of our kangaroo. Push it. Don't forget to push this part. And there you have it. We have an instant kangaroo here. See? Hope you like it. Kangaroo carrying a baby. Thank you so much.